Hey guys, so today I had a request on how to make your eyes look bigger with your contact. I'm not sure what it was. I think it was how to make your circle lenses stand out, how to make your eyes stand out. And I think it's pretty close to the Ulzzang look, because the Ulzzang look is all about how to make your eyes stand out. So yeah, I decided to do a tutorial on how to make your eyes stand out, like the Ulzzangs. Okay, so I actually forgot to mention the gloss I used. I used the Body Shop High Shine Lip Treatment. I think I got this some time ago. I really don't remember when, but it's really good, as you can see. I really like this, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I'll show you. I'll show you an example. The difference between non-false lashes with false lashes. See how much my eyes look bigger now? Yeah, scary, eh? Okay. Anyways, as I mentioned, these are like really dramatic ones. So you don't really need to purchase these dramatic ones. I'm just saying that the more dramatic, the more your eyes are going to appear bigger. So, next. I don't know about you guys, but I like to sort of do the bottom part of my eyes with eyeshadow. After you outline the bottom of your eyes or eyeshadow the bottom of your eyes, I like to use a white pencil and just like just do half your eyes like that. So, like emphasize, brighten up the waterline. It just like kind of brightens your eyes a little bit, so you can apply your shimmer stick after. And I'm using this shimmer stick. I have no idea what it's called. I'm sorry. See, it's all rubbed off, and after I put my shimmer stick on, I usually like to put on like sparkles, little sparkly stuff under my eye. I'm using Rimmel, is it Rimmel or Rimmel? I don't know. It says eyeshadow. Again, it's kind of wiped off, so I don't know. But it's Rimmel. Yeah, I'll just say Rimmel. And then you're done. So take out that camera and start taking pictures. So before I go, I want to talk. I want to say some. I want to clear some stuff out. Because if you haven't noticed from the beginning of the video, I actually have a lot of pimples on my face. So I don't really want to use a lot of makeup. So here's just a little tip: if you have pimples on your face, if you're breaking out, do not use makeup. Right now, I think my breakout is getting a little bit better, but I'm gonna go wash it off later. I'm just putting on makeup just for this tutorial, so yeah. And another thing is that some people do not have double eyelids. See, I have like triple eyelids, if you can tell. It's weird. And sometimes this one has triple, this one has double, and then this one has double, this one has triple. It's just really weird. It's just alters every time. And if you don't have double eyelids or whatever, triple, there's quadruple eyelids. Anyways, it's not important. If you don't, you can use eye tape, the eyelid tape, or you can use eyelid glue. I've used eyelid tape before and eyelid glue. Yeah, I like the tape better, but the glue works as well too. I think the glue is more messy than the tape. That's why I like the tape better. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make. Can you see my eyes bigger? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.